The Moka Pot and the Aeropress are two brewers that utilize pressure to make coffee. Let's compare them head to head. I've got a Moka Pot here that brews into 2 cups. The brewing mechanism is the same as any Moka Pot. A bottom chamber holds water and it flows up through the pipe into the cups. Here I've got the filter basket in my hand. And you can see the water chamber too. I'm going to cheat a little and fill already hot water into the chamber. Then I'll replace the filter and begin adding coffee grounds. You need a fine to medium grind. Just fill up the chamber all the way and lightly even out the grounds with your finger and then screw the top back on. Since I used hot water, the bottom chamber is pretty hot. If you're doing the same, you should be careful. Screw it on tightly, then replace the cups and set it on the stove. The Moka Pot takes a while to brew. This is about 2 minutes of footage sped up, and I was already using hot water. You can see the coffee begin to flow from the pipes into the cups. The water turns into steam, is forced through the bed of coffee grounds and through the pipes into the cups. You can see a nice bit of crema too. Be careful when you pick it up as the brewer is very hot. As I pour into the mug, you can see there is a bit of grit left at the bottom of the cup. The taste is pretty balanced on the side of intensity, and it's a little bit stronger than drip coffee. Next we have the Aeropress. It has a main chamber, a plunger, and a filter basket that you can see here. I'll grab a paper filter and place it in the basket, then rinse the filter with some water to wash out the papery taste. The filter makes for a really clean cup of coffee. Just set the chamber on the mug, add your freshly ground coffee, and give the whole thing a bit of a shake to level out the coffee bed. Fill hot water, about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, up to the 1 mark. This is enough for 1 shot, which you can drink straight or dilute for an Americano style coffee. Try to wet the grounds as evenly as possible. Stir for 10 seconds and then insert the plunger. Plunge down slowly and steadily. As the coffee goes through the filter and into the cup below, you'll hear a hissing sound. Continue plunging until you hit the bed of grounds. You can make 2 cups of coffee with double the amount of coffee grounds and filling up to the 2 mark. The same thing goes for the 3 and the 4 mark as well. You can see the resulting coffee is very clean, but the taste is much more intense than that of the Moka Pot. Cleaning up is super easy. Just eject the puck and toss it in the compost bin. I personally prefer the Aeropress as it is much more versatile. Plus, it's much quicker to brew with and easier to clean up. There are tons of Aeropress recipes you can try to mix things up. For more videos like this, please remember to like and subscribe. Between the Moka Pot and the Aeropress, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And also check out the blog at coffeeinmyveins.com for more coffee brewing and coffee machine information.